Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, which for the first time ever on my channel is a makeup tutorial using a full face of only cream makeup. You heard that right. This oily skinned woman is going to be showing you how to achieve this look right here using only cream makeup products. Now I'll be using several different brands to achieve that look, but I also wanted to introduce you to a new to me brand called Beauty Pie. They are kindly sponsoring today's video, and you may have already heard of them because Beauty Pie has gotten a lot of buzz lately. When I first heard some of my YouTuber friends rave about Beauty Pie, of course I went and followed them on social media. And one of the first things I saw on their Instagram was this before and after right here. When I saw that, my jaw dropped. I went and read the caption and saw that the product used to achieve those results was this one right here. It's called Uber Youth. This is a neck and chest super lift serum spray. And I actually reached out to them first through direct message on Instagram, and I said I would love to try out this product because while I think my face is doing pretty well without any Botox or fillers for being almost 49 years old, my neck and chest are a different story. My chest looked just like that before picture in their Instagram post. And I thought if I could finally find a product that worked and was affordable, I would be so excited to share it with my viewers. So I've been using this product for about 6 weeks now. And it wasn't until I saw my before and after, which I'll show you momentarily, that I realized what an incredible job this spray has done for me. I am so excited to have found a product that actually works in that area. So here is my before and after. Of course, the sun damage and vertical lines are not completely gone, but they have been greatly diminished. This is a neck and chest spray-on serum. It's made in Switzerland. It contains 5% niacinamide to help lighten the look of sun damage, sunspots, and it contains peptides to fight the visible effects of gravity. I've also been trying out their Dr. Glycolic multi-acid micro-peeling pads. I haven't been using this product as long as I've been using the neck serum spray, but I have been using them a couple times a week for about 3 weeks now, and I am seeing some really nice improvement in the texture of my skin. I've spoken in other videos about my current skincare routine. I really haven't changed anything aside from adding in this product, swapping it out for another glycolic peel product that I had been using and liking, but it's far more expensive. And I also think that this particular product would be better for someone with more sensitive skin. This contains 5% glycolic acid, which is a little bit less than some of the other glycolic peel pads that I've spoken about on my channel, which makes it, again, a little bit better for someone who is more sensitive. You can actually use these peel pads daily if you wanted to help improve tone and texture and reduce the look of your pores. This also contains niacinamide and it's good for all skin types. Now you may be wondering, Risa, how do I get my hands on these products? Well, let me tell you a little bit about what Beauty Pie is. Beauty Pie is the first ever membership club for beauty lovers. A Beauty Pie membership is just $59 annually, and that gets you 75% off of some of the best luxury beauty and wellness products on the market. You get luxury quality cosmetics, high performance skincare at an amazing price because they're cutting out the middleman. Just to reiterate, this is not a subscription. There will be no products sent to you at random. You choose the products that you are most interested in. I'm going to be using this incredible cream blush in today's video. And if you are not a Beauty Pie member, you would pay $30 for this. But as a Beauty Pie member, you would pay just $9. I personally think this is a fantastic concept, so I will have a link to sign up for your Beauty Pie annual membership down below in the description box. And now I want to get started showing you how to get this makeup look once again right here using a full face of cream makeup product. So I've already applied a cream moisturizer and let that sit. I used the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and then I also applied a little Charlotte Tilbury Magic Under Eye Rescue. So all of that has sunk in. As I said during the intro, I have oily skin, so I don't always have the best luck when it comes to cream foundations, simply because my oils come through and I feel like they sort of eat the foundation, so it does not look nearly as flawless as it did when it was first applied. The coverage seems to have disappeared. But as I've gotten older, my skin has slowly but surely become slightly less oily and slightly more tolerant of cream products. And this Covergirl Simply Ageless cream makeup was recommended to me years ago, I think by viewers, and I was really, really impressed with it. This is a wonderful cream product for mature skin. It's made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate and boost radiance and just to make your skin look more youthful. So I'm gonna use a foundation brush and I am swirling into the product. This is the shade 240. I have not used this in a while, so I'm not sure if this is the exact or best match for me, but we're just gonna go with it and make it work. Oh, well, it's a little bit dark and a little bit sort of peachy. It's strange. It looks more neutral up here than it does down here. But look at how easily this is applying. It goes on like a dream. And it just sort of glides over imperfections instead of settling into them. And by imperfections, I mean my large pores. It does not emphasize the look of my pores. And then even if I use it around my eyes, I don't get any of that settling into little creases I have in that area. Now, if you do have oily skin like I do, I would recommend still adding a powder on top to set this. I'm not going to do that simply so I can keep the title of this video truthful. Moving on to concealer. My favorite cream concealer is this one from NARS. It's the Soft Matte Concealer. I use it in two different shades. I use the shade Chantilly for when I carve out underneath my brows, and then I use the shade Creme Brulee for my under eyes. And I like to go in right here where I have the most discoloration. And then I'm just using my finger to pat it onto my lid and then also bring it down in this area right here. The warmth of your fingers really helps to melt the cream into your skin and make it look very natural and seamless. For cream contour, I'm using another drugstore product. This is from Milani. It is their cream to powder foundation, actually. I just purchased it in a darker shade. Unfortunately, the name has come off the back, so I don't know exactly what color this is. I will try to see if I can figure it out online and then post it down below in the description box. But again, it's just one of their cream to powder foundations in a darker shade. I'm taking one of my favorite brushes for cream contouring. This is the Heavenly brush number 7, Heavenly Luxe from IT Cosmetics. And I am just contouring under my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead. And then I flip the brush around and use that side to contour my nose. I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this look is very, very easy. It's something that you should be able to do in under 10 minutes. You don't need a lot of tools for this look. In fact, I'm going to be using my fingers to apply this cream blush from Beauty Pie. I have it in two shades, Sexy Berry and Bare Blush. These are super blendable. They have a pillowy matte texture that just melts right into your skin. I think I'm going to use Bare Blush and just watch how this just brings life immediately back to my face. I like to smile and apply it to the upper portion of my cheekbone. This is honestly one of the best cream blushes I've used. I also like to sometimes bring a little bit across my nose, this area right here, so I look a little sun-kissed. And now for my brows, I guess you could consider this a cream. I'm going to use the Pomade from Benefit. All right, my brows are done, and now I am going to do a very simple eye look using a product that is new to me. This will be my first time ever trying an eyeshadow from Victoria Beckham. This is the shade Mink, and this is what it looks like. Now, a lot of people like to use cream eyeshadows with their fingers. Just put the finger in the pot and pat it on the eyes, much like I did the blush. However, I have hooded eyes, so it's a little bit more difficult. I need to sort of get into those creases or under the hood, I guess you could say. So that's why I am using a brush, and I'm going to go in and pick up some product. Again, this is my first time ever using this, so I'm not sure how the application is going to go. I'm going to zoom you in, of course. Ooh, that is very, very pretty. I knew it was going to be sparkly. I'm not sure I knew it was going to be this sparkly, but I have no problems wearing a sparkly eyeshadow look during the day. So now I'm going to take my brush and sort of blend out any harsh edges. And now, just because I'm playing around, I kind of want to use my finger and pat it right on the center just to see if it gives it more intensity, and it does. Definitely gave more intensity. So now I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and just blend it out. I'm also going to run a little bit along my lower lash lines. I completely forgot to show you the corrector. Oh my goodness. I have to show you this corrector from Beauty Pie. It's amazing. And actually this might be better, because now what I can do is I can actually remove my concealer from one eye and then show you the difference between using a corrector and not using a corrector. This actually may have worked out for the best. I'm going to go remove the concealer from one of my eyes. So I very gently removed all of my concealer that I had applied. And now I am going to use this Beauty Pie corrector in the shade Light Medium. This product is actually called Super Luminous Under Eye Genius, and it's formulated with fatty acids to moisturize and smooth the look of lines under the eyes. And it has anti-fatigue micro brightening pearls to instantly illuminate the under eye area. I'm going to take my finger into this Under Eye Genius and pat it right there. It's very, very creamy. And I think you can sort of see those micro pearls. It really just brightens my entire under eye. And now I'm going to go back in with my concealer. And I'm going to need to use so much less. So much less. Because I've laid that brightener down first. Now I feel like I need to redo the other eye. I think I do. Okay, that looks better. Now both eyes look very bright and luminous, and I'm going to finish off the eyes by, of course, applying mascara. But before I do that, I'm going to use a little bit of a cream eyeliner, which I haven't used in a long time. This one is an oldie but a goodie. It's from MAC. It's the Fluid line in black. And now I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. Even though I'm already pretty glowy because my natural oils have started coming through, I'm still going to use one of my favorite cream highlighters. This is from RMS Beauty. And I'm just placing that right here on the very, very tops of my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to add a little bit to my tear ducts. All right, mascara is on. I've also applied some corner lashes as usual. And for my lips, I'm using the Power Liner from Buxom in Hush Hush Henna, along with a cream lip gloss from Bobbi Brown called Juicy Date. So here it is, my completed look using a full face of cream makeup products. As I mentioned earlier in the tutorial, if you have oily skin like I do, you are probably going to want to set at least your T-zone with some powder and then use a really, really good setting spray. My favorite setting spray is actually from Charlotte Tilbury, but I was too lazy to get up and go in the other room to grab it, so I just used this Urban Decay All Nighter, which is also very good. Just not quite as good as the Charlotte Tilbury, in my opinion. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the Risa Does Makeup family. I do upload new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me on Instagram as well as on TikTok. The username is the same everywhere. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.